Ebony Tinkler Unit 20. So to start off, we're just going to do some breathing, just to get the voice prepared to properly warm up. So if everybody can get on the floor into the Alexander position. So it's really important for this to make sure you're breathing through your diaphragm, not through your chest. So can everybody just take a deep breath in and make sure your hands are going up on top of your diaphragm, so nothing's coming from your shoulders. Right, to start off, we're just going to breathe in for 4, hold for 4, out for 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4. So breathing is really good for endurance in monologues. So if you've got a big piece of text, it can help with that. So this exercise, we're going to breathe in for 4, hold for 4, and then I want you to breathe out for as long as you can. So it's all about containing your breath, making sure you're not letting it all go out. So can you put your hand up when you need to breathe in again? So in, hold, and then out for as long as you can, and put your hand up when you need to stop. So in, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, and out. Okay, so that's really good for practicing, like not holding your breath but containing your breath in monologues. So if everyone can stand up for me. So the next exercise I'm going to be doing is tongue twisters. So this is good for like your classical monologues with words that are quite hard to get around. So we're going to go around in a circle and everybody's going to say these 2 tongue twisters, and we're going to see which one people struggle with the most and then work on that one. So there's she sells seashells by the seashore. So can everyone say that together?
She sells seashells by the seashore.
And then there's you know New York, you need New York, you know you need unique New York.
You know New York, you need New York, you know you need unique New York.
Okay, so we'll go around, just pick which one you find easier and say that one. So, go.
She sells seashells by the seashore.
She sells seashells on the seashore.
You know New York, you need New York, you know you need unique New York.
She sells seashells by the seashore.
You know New York, you need New York, you know you need New York.
She sells seashells.
She sells She sells I can't do it.
She sells
Seashells on the seashore.
There we go. So should we all do them both just one more time? So
She sells seashells by the seashore.
And
You know New York, you need New York, you know you need unique New York.
Okay, so the next one is to do with articulation. So we're going to say me, may, marmo, me, may, marmo, me, may, marmo, me. So everybody repeat.
Me, may, marmo, me, may, marmo, me, may, marmo, me.
Then we're going to go to T, then V, then B. So we'll do them all separately and then we'll do them after another. So T next. So T, tay, tar, to, T, tay, tar, to, T, tay, tar, to, T. So everybody do that one.
T, tay, tar, to, T, tay, tar, to, T, tay, tar, to, T.
Then V. So Vive Varvo, Vive Varvo, Vive Varvo, V. Then Be Barbo, Be Barbo, Be Barbo, B. So we're going to try and do it all together. Make sure you're really doing that when you do it. So me, T, V, B. So me, may, marmo, me, may, marmo, me, may, marmo, me. T, tay, tarto, T, tay, tarto, T, tay, tarto, T. Vive Varvo, Vive Varvo, Vive Varvo, V. Be Barbo, Be Barbo, Be Barbo, B. There's that one. So then for the final one, we're going to sing I Like the Flowers, and this is to do with projection. So I'm going to use my hand, and wherever my hand is, I want you to, so up here will be really project it, down here is like stage whisper. So I'm going to move it round as you're singing, and make sure it's controlled. So up here you don't want to be shouting, down here you don't want it to be silent. So yeah, we'll sing it normally first, make sure everyone knows the words. So,
I like the flowers, I like the daffodils, I like the mountains, I like the rolling hills, and I like the fireside when the lights are low, singing a doo-wop, a doo-wop, a doo-wop, a doo-be-doo. I like the flowers, I like the daffodils, I like the mountains, I like the rolling hills, and I like the fireside when the lights are low, singing a doo-wop, a doo-wop, a doo-wop, a doo-be-doo. I like the flowers, I like the daffodils, I like the mountains, I like the rolling hills, and I like the fireside when the lights are low, singing a doo-wop, a doo-wop, a doo-wop, a doo-be-doo.
thank you.